I'm gonna start this again because I went out on a tangent just now. I kind of just started ranting, and I don't want that to be or set the tone for today's vlog. But welcome to day 12 of Vlogmas. Currently, I am battling the challenges that I'm facing at work. I'm over it. Like, I feel myself shutting down. I'm that type of person that once things get complicated and I can't control it, I rather just let it play out how it's going to play out. And when it comes to a career, you can't really do that because then it seems like you're not a team player. If you take a step back and let people and let them know like this shit is stressing you out, then you become incompetent for some reason, right? And then you guys know from the last few vlogs that I've also had medical testing done and the results aren't all that. It's not what I wanted to hear. So right now I'm still waiting on my doctor to give me a call back to discuss next steps. So that's also heavy on my mind. And then again, I just have to come back and deal with the challenges at work. I'm ready for God to pivot me into a better and a more zen working situation. Whether that be here in this particular, in this particular position, or whether it be elevating me and putting me somewhere else where I am getting more money and I'm having more peace. So that's what's on my mind as we start today's vlog. I hope you guys are having a much better time than I am. Like I said, I do have a lot of work today, so I will probably this week. So I don't even know what vlogs are going to look like this week, but we're just going to take it one day at a time. And yeah, I'm just going to dive into work right now.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that, broke mentality, jump on, jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way.
Alright, y'all. So calls are done. Aligner is back in. I do have a packed afternoon as well. But I have decided I'm not going to stress. I ain't going to stress. This is a group effort. And even though I am the subject matter expert, it is still a group effort. And I have 2 tenured team members that are assisting me with this project. So I am not going to stress. I am not going to stress. They have both been here longer than I've been in this position. So they should be able to assist me where I drop off. So yeah, there's that. I think my friend is going to call me in like the next 10 minutes to work out. I'm not excited, but I'm also happy that I have an accountability partner because I don't feel like working out. But I know if she calls, I got to be ready. So I'm about to put my stuff on, and then work out, then shower, and then back to work.
Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break. Better way. Oh, I've been working all day.
First of all, it's the next day. Second of all, I just got back in the house. But I just wanted to close off today's vlog. I keep mentioning this, so I sound like a broken record, but I apologize for these short vlogs. I like a long, 20-minute or more type of vlog, and I just have not been getting there due to everything that's been going on. I'm sure if you've been following my Vlogmas series, you know that I've been having some challenges at work. I've also been having some health issues that I'm trying to, remedy. So I just have not been myself, so my creativity has been out the door, but we're hoping that as time progresses, work gets better, I have a new regimen to help my health get back in order. I'm hoping that I get a new regimen to get my health back in order. And yeah, so hopefully we can get back to the aesthetic type of vlogs that I intended on putting out. So anyways, enough of that. Just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. I am still trying to get to 3,500 subscribers. So if you are not subscribed, please do me that favor and hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, help me to reach that goal of 3,500 subscribers. You guys, I'm still getting used to these aligners. So if you hear me like with a lisp, it's because of these, aligners, and I'm super self-conscious about it. So every 2 seconds I want to be like, I don't talk like this. I don't. But anyways, ADHD much. Thanks again for all of your love and support. Until next video, bye guys.